Hey guys, how are you all? So welcome back to my channel Ags Anxiety. So I'm back with my new video and it's also a requested video from all the students and it's regarding 12th December 2020 real IELTS test prediction, and we know that it's an academic only test date. Okay, both IDP and British Council is going to conduct their exams in morning section and also in the evening section due to this COVID pandemic. So let's start out with our video. So first we'll see regarding the listening module as usual. So in part 1 you will hear a telephonic conversation between two speakers, and this time there is a chance to get fill up type question that also up to two words or in a one word only fill up. So most probably you will get a form completion in this set. And in part 2 you will hear a talk from a guide. So this time it's an academic only test date. That's why there is more chance to get a map completion type question along with short MCQs. And this part will be an easy one. And in part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between some students and you have to answer the questions in the form of large MCQs along with selection of letters. Selection of letters means you will get one question along with five options and you want to select any two. Then at last in part 4 you will hear an academic lecture class and you have to answer the question in the form of fill up type, that also one word only fill up. Most probably you will get a summary completion or a not completion. And this time the audio will be little bit fast. So overall your listening section will be easy only, but it's completely based on your practice. So try to practice more and use Cambridge textbooks 9 to 15, the same format only you will get in your exams. So that's all. Now we'll see regarding the reading module. So in reading module, you will get three long passages, and in passage 1 there is a chance to get fill up type question that also in the form of a sentence completion, and along with that you can expect true false not given type question and also short answer question. Short answer question in the sense you want to answer within or up to three words or a number. So you need to read the instruction carefully and according to that you should answer the question. Okay, then moving on to passage 2. Here there is a chance to get to match the information type of question. Either they will be asking in the form of list of heading or which paragraph contain these information, like that. Along with that you can expect MCQs, multiple choice question and also fill-ups. That will be in the form of a note or a short summary completion. Along with that in passage 3 you will get MCQs again along with selection of letters. So that means maybe a common topic for the complete passage. They will give you the option and you want to select appropriate heading. And also you can expect yes, no, not given type of question. So that's all about the question type. Overall, your reading section will be in easy to moderate, so try to practice well. We already done video regarding the materials which you can able to use for your preparation and all, so try to utilize that. Anyway, the first preference will be always for Cambridge materials, so try to do that first. Now we will see regarding the writing module. In that, in task 1, an infographic structure, you want to write a report, you already know that. So this time there is a chance to get line chart, bar chart, table or pie chart, and you can expect the combination graph too, combination of line and bar, or the combination of pie chart or combination of table and the bar chart, like that, in morning section or in the evening section. So try to follow proper structure and use proper cohesive devices. Now moving on to the task 2, you know that you want to write an essay with a minimum 250 words within 40 minutes. So this time there is a chance to get opinion type essay. And in that, this time they will ask you in the form of to what extent do you agree or disagree, or is it a positive or negative development. And after that, there is a chance to get a discussion type essay. In that, most probably you will get advantage, disadvantage type of essay. And also you want to check out with the opinion with the discussion type essay too. Okay, there is 45% chance to get opinion with discussion type of essay. So in that they will ask you in the form of discuss both views and state your opinion, or else discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion. So you should remember all these things First of all, follow proper structure. We have one common essay structure, but according to the essay, there will be some changes. That means for some of the essay, we don't want to write the thesis statement. If they are asking for your opinion, means you want to write the thesis statement. Like that, some minute changes will be there. So try to follow proper structure. Second thing, use cohesive devices properly to connect your ideas, words, paragraph, and also to maintain a flow. Okay, or to maintain the cohesion, you need to use cohesive devices. Then third thing, use range of vocabulary. Lexical resources is very much important. So try to use range of vocabularies. Try to use synonyms for words. And also paraphrase your question properly. Then proper paragraphing and grouping of data. In task one, according to any parameter, you can able to group the data, country, based on the years, based on the trends and all. And in task 2, according to the points which you have, you can divide the body paragraph into 2 to 3. Okay, so always try to give a topic sentence with a proper explanation and example. Example is always necessary for each body paragraph. So try to avoid new ideas in conclusion, but you can add call of action if needed. If the question is related to any social issues or world issues, means you can add call of action in the conclusion. That means who want to take the action towards this particular issue. Whether the society want to take action or the government want to implement in the new laws and policies and all, means you can suggest that. Then time management is very much important. So try to maintain proper timings. You want to finish both the task within 1 hour. So arrange your time and always try to answer the question completely. Then only you will get mark for task achievement or task fulfillment. If they ask you to give examples, means you want to do that. If they asked you to compare the data or comparison is relevant, means you want to do that. Okay, and in case of direct question and all, you need to answer each and every part of the question. So try to answer the question in a complete manner. So try to remember all these points in your mind to score high in your essay writing and also both in task 1 and task 2. Now we will see some of the essay topics you want to be prepared for your 12th December 2020's IELTS test. So education. So under this you can expect the questions related to online education, about traditional classroom program, about free education, then government role in education programs, about single sex schools, about homeschoolings, okay, about the disciplines, whether we want to maintain proper discipline in school or not, about the curriculum, okay. Then the next topic is environment, related to pollution, about natural beauty, sports, deforestation or resource depletion, something related to biodiversity, the problems related to global warming or population exploitation and all. Anything related to business, economy, and money. That means about small scale businesses, large companies, large local communities, then about the marketing technologies, then about staff uniforms or family run businesses, or anything related to economy and money. The relation or the gap between the rich and the poor, about rich countries should support the poor countries or not, about the personal debt and using credit cards, something related to money and also the economy. Then, other than that, you can prepare out with health and food, about packed food, fast food, then about the preservatives in food, vegetarian diet, or really something related to the health, how to prevent or how to cure the diseases, about the growing number of overweight people, or the responsibility for public health. And awareness, about the awareness programs and all. Then technology, media, and TV, about TV viewing hours of children, influence of TV in our culture, and about the privacy of famous people. Then about the media, the internet, use of internet, okay, or the banning of mobile phones and all. Then something related to society, society in the sense about homelessness, cultural diversity, or the generation gap. Okay, then about the traditional lifestyle, the influence of modernization or the globalization, like that. So these all are the topics you want to be prepared. So try to collect some points under these topics, which can be applicable for all the type of essays. So try to collect some supporting points and also some opposing points. Okay, and that will be useful in case of advantage, disadvantage, or the positive, negative side and all. So try to prepare with these topics. So, all the very best. Try to do well, try to practice well. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to get more updates related to IELTS means try to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification, and try to select the all option too. And we are providing online classes. For that I will provide all the details in the description box. You can contact me. So that's all. Take care. Thank you.